Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the theory of acid-base indicators. The acid-base indicators, they are explain the action of indicators. That is, the indicators have two form like unionized form and ionized form. The two form of indicators may have two different colors. For example, methyl orange such as indicator is called as two color indicators. On the other hand, only one of the two form may possess color. For example, phenolphthalein such as indicator is termed as one color indicator. Now these are the two expressions of equilibrium having the concentration of H plus ions as well as the concentration of OH minus ions. Let us assume that the both form of indicators the both form of indicators like ion minus, that is ion indicator, and H ion possesses colors. Therefore, the equation like pH is equal to pK ion plus log the concentration of ion minus divided by concentration of H ion. Therefore, the color of the solution will depends on all four factors like pH, pK ion, and the ratio of concentration of ion minus ion and H ion, that is ion indicator. For example, color due to ion minus to be visible is the concentration of ion minus divided by concentration of H ion equal or greater than 10 times. Therefore, the substituting the value in the above equations, now the equation is pH is equal to pK ion plus log 10 is equal to pK ion plus 1. Therefore, the above equation is suggest that the color due to ion minus will be just visible at the pH is equal to pK ion plus 1. Similarly, the minimum concentration ratio at which the color due to the form like concentration of H ion, that is indicator, is visible will be the color visible will be the concentration of H ion indicator divided by concentration of ion minus ion is greater than or equal to 10. Therefore, the pH is equal to pK ion indicator minus 1. The color due to the form H ion will appear for the first time at the pH is equal to pK ion minus 1. Now, the pH and color of the indicators we can understand by following diagrams like here the pH is increasing from left to right. Now, there are total two parts of pH indicators. like the first one P, these are the right side, these are the left side. The color due to indicators like P, K, IN. Here the P, K, IN plus 1 for positive pH value, and at the left side the color due to pH like pKin minus 1. Here the HIN is pKin minus 1, acidic or unionized form of the pH. Now the color due to ion, that is indicator minus ion, or it also known as ionized form of indicator, or the basic form of indicator. Therefore, the conclusion of the above diagram, like the pH is equal or less than, in the bracket, P, K, IN indicator minus 1, the color of the solution due to unionized acidic form, or it also known as HIN, will be observed, and for pH is greater than or equal, in bracket, pKin plus 1, is color due to unionized, it also known as basic or ion minus form, will be observed. For the pH range, pKin minus 1 to pKin plus 1, the mixed color, that is color mixture due to color of the both forms, will be observed. Now the next point, the choice of indicators. The choice of indicators is depend on the nature of the titrants. Now in the first case, the choice of indicators, case first, if the nature of titrant is an acid, then the titration proceed, the pH of the solution will be decreases. Therefore, the color change for the titration will be from the color of ionized, that is ion basic form, to that of unionized, that is HIN acidic form of the indicators. In this situation, the endpoint of the color, that is color due to HIN, will appear for the first time when pH is equal to pKin minus 1. Hence, the equivalence point pH should be same as the pH at which the color of the endpoint appear for the first time is equal to pH, that is equivalent point, is equal to pKin minus 1. Therefore, that indicator should be chosen for which the pKin is equal to pH equivalence point plus 1. Now in case second, the nature of titrant, case second, nature of titrant like base, then the titration proceed, the pH of the solution will increases. The change of color of the indicator will be from the color of the color due to indicator, that is HIN, acidic unionized form, to that of IN minus basic or ionized form. Therefore, the equation like pH, equation pH bracket equivalent point, in short EQ point, is equal to pKin, IN indicator plus 1. For the titration, that indicator should be chosen for which pKin indicator is equal to, in bracket, pH equivalent point, that is EQPT point minus 1. Now the conclusion from the above two cases: if the titrant is an acid, then the indicator that fulfill the following condition should be used as a indicator for the titrations, like the pKin is equal to, in the bracket, pH equivalent point plus 1 for the acid titrant, and if the titrant is an base, then the indicator that fulfill the following requirement should be used, that is pKin is equal to, in bracket, pH equivalent point minus 1 for the basic titrant.